Welcome back to our channel, Tech Enthusiasts. Today, we've got some exciting news to share about Apple's latest innovations, the M3 MacBook Pro and the revamped iMac. In this video, we'll break down everything that was revealed at the recent Apple event, so let's dive right in. Apple's M3 family of chips was the highlight of the event. These chips feature cutting-edge 3nm technology, a new GPU architecture, and enhanced CPU and neural engine performance. They are the most advanced chips ever built for personal computers. Apple introduced 3 incredible MacBook Pro models powered by the M3 chip. First up, the 14-inch MacBook Pro, which now starts at just $1,599. It's perfect for students, entrepreneurs, and creators, offering lightning-fast everyday tasks. Plus, it's up to 60% faster than the previous 13-inch MacBook Pro with the M1 chip. But wait, there's more! Apple also unveiled the 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pro models with M3 Pro. These are designed for users with more demanding workflows, like coders, creative pros, and researchers. They deliver up to 40% more speed compared to the 16-inch model with M1 Pro. If you're into AI development, 3D art, or professional video editing, the MacBook Pro with M3 Max is an absolute beast. It's up to 2.5 times faster than the 16-inch MacBook Pro with M1 Mac. These laptops come with impressive battery life, stunning displays, and advanced connectivity options. You can order the M3 MacBook Pro models today, with M3 Max models available in November. Now, let's shift our focus to the revamped 24-inch iMac. It's now equipped with the M3 chip, offering up to 2.5 times more speed than previous models. The star of the show is the stunning 4.5K Retina display that's perfect for your creative work. The new iMac boasts a sleek and versatile design that replaces both the 4K and 5K Intel-based models. With faster wireless connectivity and a seamless experience with your iPhone, it's the world's best all-in-one iMac. Here's the best part: the new iMac still starts at just $1,299, and you can place your order today. It will be available next week, so you won't have to wait long to experience the power of the M3 chip on your desktop. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about Apple's latest announcements. The M3 MacBook Pro and the upgraded iMac are set to redefine the way you work and create. So, are you excited about these new Apple products? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest tech news. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.